In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add videos and reels in Lovable. Whether you're a pro content creator or just getting started, this guide will walk you through each step to bring your visuals to life using this platform. To begin, let's navigate to the Lovable website. Open your web browser and type in the URL lovable.dev. Once you reach the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the site's layout if you're not already accustomed to it. It's always helpful to know where vital tools and features are located so you can easily access them when needed. Now, if you're embarking on a fresh project, click on the New Project button. This will create a dedicated space for your new video or reel where all subsequent edits and adjustments will take place. If you're working on an existing project, locate it in your projects list and click to open it. In many instances, you will see options that say Edit or Open in Builder. Choose one of these to get started with your editing process. With your project open, the next step is to upload or link your video. You can either drag and drop the video file from your computer to the designated area or provide a URL if you're linking from an online source. Always ensure that the video or reel you choose aligns with your project's theme or purpose for the best outcome. Once your video is uploaded or linked, it's time to attach it to your project. Look for an Attach button and click it. This step integrates your video into your project, making it ready for further editing or setting adjustments. Now let's focus on adjusting the video settings to tailor it to your project's needs. This could include cropping, trimming the video to a desired length, or modifying other visual settings to enhance the overall look and feel. Exploring these options thoroughly can provide you with the flexibility to customize the video exactly how you envision it. Finally, it's important to preview your work before saving. Click the preview option to view how your video appears in the project. This is your opportunity to make sure everything looks perfect and how you expected. If everything meets your expectations, go ahead and hit the save button to ensure your changes are stored. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to add videos and reels in Lovable. With these steps, you're well equipped to creatively and effectively enhance your projects. Remember, the key is to experiment with settings and take full advantage of the tools at your disposal. Happy creating, and feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need a refresher.